2014, I'm gonna do a video of me doing toy hacks with these. And these called Poppin' 2. First, I'm gonna do the one with my arm. This is what it looks like. And you have to like open it like this. Okay, now put on your stomach. And then get this one. Wait, and you have to do this. And then I gotta put it right there. And then do this. Wait, actually do like this. Like this, like this, like this, like this. Wait. Oh man. Like this. Boom. That's how you do it. It's still on. Oh, and cartwheel, okay. It's still on. Number 2. I'm gonna do the one on my neck. This is how I do it. Okay, so like tighten this up. On my neck. Boom. This is how you do it. And I can still do a cartwheel. Still on. Okay, hack number 3. First, hack number 3 is I gotta put it on my leg. First, I gotta do this. And gotta tighten it up. Wait. Okay, boom. Now I gotta tighten up. Tighten the thing up. Boom. And okay, guys, and I can do a cartwheel. 3, 2, 1.
Are you okay?
Yes, sir.
Oh, good job.
Yeah. Number 3. Don't try this at home, because you can like get sick. You can do that like this.
Stop jumping, CJ.
Nope, can't do that. Okay. still allowed to come in there. My mom is going to do a hack on my sister's hair that I made up with this.